You don't need a gym, you don't need equipment, you don't even need money. Everything you need to build real abs is already sitting in your house right now. I'm going to prove it to you in the next 3 minutes. Let's go. First up, water bottle Russian twists. Grab any water bottle, the fuller the better. Lean back 45 degrees, feet off the floor, and rotate side to side with the bottle. 3 sets, 20 reps per side. Go slow. That's where your obliques actually grow. Next, backpack weighted crunches. Throw some heavy books into your backpack and hold it on your chest. Now crunch. That's it. Free resistance training. 3 sets, 15 reps. Pause and squeeze at the top every single time. Third, chair leg raises. Sit right on the edge of a sturdy chair. Grip the sides and raise your knees up to your chest. This is your lower abs killer, the part everyone struggles with most. Fourth, towel plank slides. Get into a plank, put a small towel under each foot on a hard floor, and slide your knees in one at a time, slow, controlled, like a mountain climber in slow motion. 3 sets, 30 seconds each. This one will humble you fast. And fifth, elevated bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, put your heels up on the couch, and do your bicycle crunches. Elbow to opposite knee, alternating sides. The elevation increases the range of motion and fires up way more muscle than regular bicycles. 3 sets, 20 reps per side. 5 exercises. 0 cost. All you need is to actually show up. Do this 3 to 4 times a week, eat halfway decent, and in 8 weeks, you will see the difference. Drop Trainer Army in the comments if you're trying this. Subscribe for more no-excuse workouts every single week. See you in the next one.